Fokas. As far as the training is concerned, would you like to comment some best practices for addressing the human factor?
Thank you. Antonis is right. You can go for a cheap certificate if you want, but then it's up to the management company if you want to go for compliance only or for competence. I'm lucky I work in a company, in a group that we focus on competence, not on compliance. It's not all companies work like this. So we have done all those things that were mentioned before, gap analysis, SIRE 2 training, etc. We have done all those things, like most of the companies, mock inspections, etc. Now some extra tips that we have done. Role playing that was mentioned before. In practice, how do we do it? We do it on board, with video conference from the office or the vetting department is monitoring and attending these role-playings on board the ship. This is done on a regular basis, once every month per every vessel, with a specific scenario based on SIRE 2 questionnaire. Second, we use our own simulators, and there again we have role-playing, bridge or engine simulator. We have the inspector who is playing the role of the inspector together with the participants in the courses. This is also something extra, and all training providers can do that. For the Filipinos in particular, because we all know that Filipinos are a bit low profile, they don't speak up easily, so we have developed a course there, actual course, not e-learning, actual course with an expert for the Filipino seafarers and officers to help them improve in that speaking up, so they feel more confident when they are being interviewed. Of course, we have developed our own tool matching the SIRE 2 questionnaire with SMS, etc., so it's easier for people on board to show to the inspector the relevant SMS procedures, etc., etc. Now, down to training, our training matrix has been amended. We cannot provide in-house all training that we want, so we are using e-learning platforms. And there are some specific courses that are designed to accommodate some of the specific requirements of both SIRE 2 and RightShip. So Thanasis is correct, they have developed some things. Other providers have done the same thing as well, and we are using that. How do we use it? In advance, we know which vessel is going to be inspected, so we check with the vessel, we check the records, and we advise them, you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. So we guide them which e-learnings they have to do in order to fill the inspector's requirements. Those are some tips on how we deal with SIRE 2 and RightShip inspections.
Very, very interesting. Thank you very much for sharing this with us.